Hey guys, Andy Patlan out here. Gorgeous Saturday in San Antonio. We're right outside of Pecan Valley. We're walking our latest acquisition. We just picked this property up. I'm seeing it for the first time. You guys are seeing it for the first time. I've already walked it once. It's kind of scary in there, so I'll just kind of brace you for that. Has no central heat in here. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. We're going to convert it into a 3-bedroom, 2 bath, 1,058 square feet. We're going to extend it out. It's got a converted garage. We're going to kick that wall out. A lot of work. We're ready for it, but this is kind of scary looking right now, but they all are. We're picking this project up for $77,000. It's going to take an extensive remodel, and we're hoping to put it back on market for about $130,000, $140,000. Okay. Again, none of this stuff scares us. We've seen worse. Old 1958 year built home. We've got to come in, probably do an electric water heater. Here's where we're going to add the 3-2. It's currently a 3-1. So we've got 1 bedroom here. We've got a bath. And we're gonna knock this, we're gonna close this out, make it a true master, and knock into another bath over here. So we'll have a 3-2. Again, that's gonna be easier to sell. Again, that's gonna be a bath. We're gonna make this a wall. Put the master bedroom door somewhere right here. Keep the wall going right here. Make this a door, and then now you've got a 3rd bedroom right back here. So converting this from a 3-1 to a 3-2. Let me show you what else we're gonna do. It's a mess, it's scary, but we like the challenge, we're up to it. And this is where you're gonna find the deals. I mean, the stuff that's already pretty and made up and ready to sell, you're not gonna get any value out of it as far as making some return on your investment. You gotta be willing to take a little bit of risk and put it out there so that you can get some return on your money. It's got a converted garage, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock this wall down and make this into an extended dining area / living area. Okay, so it's got a lot of potential. We're looking at about 8 weeks on the project. Gorgeous neighborhood. You guys ought to see the neighborhood. Nice houses, that mid-century modern. Again, 6 to 8 weeks. My contractor says 6. I'm thinking 8, maybe even 10. But once it's all said and done, we want to put this back on market. $77,000, back on market for about $130,000, $140,000. Guys, this is the flip game. This is what we're talking about. Call me when you want to get into the flip game. We're looking for investors. We're looking for people to get into the business with us. Andy Patlan, 512-784-0048. Alsa Residential, Citywide Realty. I'm your guy.